One question for the Department of Energy, Secretary Garin. So, what emergency legislative amendments does the DOE now recommend, considering that do you recommend the inventory disclosure, the anti-profiteering triggers, or the temporary suspension of the excise or the VAT adjustment that is targeted support for the diesel? Uh, Ms. Madam Secretary.
Mr. Chair, one is probably the most crucial legislation is the amendment of the oil deregulation law. It has several topics there, but maybe deregulation works when there's no war, when it's a normal times. But when there's a war and the spike is so high, it's unpredictable. This is not that the price is determined by supply. There's the natural and artificial causes here na tumataas lang talaga siya. And when this happens, as pointed at by Congressman Tino, we're so vulnerable because it gets reflected right away, and then on the other hand, DOE cannot stop this. We can monitor, we can watch it, we can reprimand, but we don't have the powers to control it before it happens, Mr. Chair. So a certain degree of regulation when it is needed, I think it is necessary. And that's one for the oil deregulation. Many others, the unbundling, the powers of the DOE. I'm not sure if excise tax is my topic, but that would be the topic of. But that's about 20% of the cost of the pump price.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.